Hey guys, Sushi Stew back on here today. I wanted to do a little app review of a neat little app. Today's alarm clock. This app is free and it comes with lots of features. So it's got a customizable background, a customizable clock. There's 8 different clocks. The swipe down can bring you up the simple menu, and you can quickly change it. Swipe across the screen to bring up the full menu, and this isn't just the full menu, this is like the full screen as well, because you can see you got weather.
The current weather conditions are mostly cloudy at 6 degrees Celsius with a high of 9 and a low of 3.
It tells you the weather when you click on it. It's got more weather for each day down below. You can go to full screen right there. Lots of settings. Here's the settings screen. You can customize the background, change it, set your GPS or set your location. 12-hour, 24-hour. You can have it speak the time after the alarm. Start in full screen. Time display mode always on. Change your brightness of the time display. I believe there's 8 clocks to choose from. And you can quick snooze settings. Oh, there we go. You can set lots of alarms. Lots of different settings. Quick timer, save the alarm and clear it. And as you can see, you can set your own MP3 or you can use the streaming radio. Great feature. You can change the fixed volume, gradually increase your alarm inventory, but I don't have any. Close the app. Different time zones, you can change them. You get sports and stuff. I like NHL, so I have NHL scores. Let's see, my Canucks play at 7 o'clock tonight. And go straight to a web page that they've linked to. Let's see, ESPN. Go back, close, and change the settings for that as well. And as I said, the streaming radio. This is an awesome app. So Iceberg Radio. Let's start with that. I don't know, Canadian rock. Play. Let's see what we can get. There we go. Iceberg Radio. And see, we got channels or people that we can select that we don't want to hear from. So that works very well. And stop that. Close that. You can leave it running, the radio, if you want, and have it in the background. And look at the traffic outlook. There's no traffic for my area, Comox, Canada. Close that. Lots and lots you can choose on here. Back to this one, settings. So yeah, you can choose different stuff. Put in your stock URLs, the symbol with commas, and it'll bring up your stock.
Friday, conditions will bring partly cloudy.
So yeah, each day you select here, it'll speak the conditions. You can set the conditions on here more. You can have the news on screen, display news feed there for local area. There it is, local news. But I find it a little bit cluttered with everything on there, so I usually don't have the local news. But today's alarm clock, definitely an awesome application. for free. Even better. I'd pay for this app for sure. There's lots of alarm clocks out there, but this one gives you so many options that I would definitely drop a donation for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to have some more app game reviews coming up. Make sure you subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and share. Peace out.